Good morning, students. This is Latif sir. Today I am going to discuss about nitrogen containing compounds, the chapter 13 of class 12 chemistry. In this chapter, you have to read about amines and diazonium chloride. So, first, see amines. What are amines? Amines are the derivatives of ammonia. If you replace the hydrogen atoms from ammonia, that is from NH3, by alkyl group, then it becomes amine. If you replace hydrogen atoms from ammonia, then the ammonia becomes amine. So amines are derivatives of ammonia, and depending upon the number of alkyl group attached with nitrogen atom in amine, amines can be classified as primary amine, secondary amine, and tertiary amine. That is 1 degree amine, 2 degree amine, and 3 degree amine. If you replace all the if you replace only one hydrogen atom, if you replace only one hydrogen atom from ammonia by one alkyl group, then it is known as 1 degree amine or primary amine. And primary amine look like this: RNH2. Here one hydrogen atom is replaced by one alkyl group. So general formula of primary amine is RNH2, where R is a alkyl group. It may be ethyl, methyl, propyl. Okay. And secondary amine, in secondary amine, two hydrogen atoms, if two hydrogen atoms are replaced, two hydrogen atoms of ammonia are replaced by two alkyl group, two hydrogen atoms from ammonia are replaced by two alkyl group, you can see, then it is known as secondary amine. That means in secondary amine the functional group is NH. In primary amine the group is NH2. In secondary amine the functional group is NH, and there are two alkyl groups. So in secondary amine, secondary amines are prepared by replacing two hydrogen atoms from ammonia by two alkyl group. And in case of tertiary amine, uh, all the three hydrogen atoms from ammonia are replaced by three alkyl groups. So if you replace three alkyl group from ammonia, if you replace three hydrogen atoms from ammonia by three alkyl group, it becomes 3 degree amine. And 3 degree amine, in 3 degree amine there is no hydrogen atoms. Okay, so 1 degree amine general formula is RNH2. Secondary amine general formula is RNH single bond R. And in case of tertiary amine, the general formula is R single bond N, single bond R, and single bond R. Okay, these are tertiary amine. And depending upon the nature of group, alkyl or aryl, amine can be classified into class. One is aromatic amine, another is aliphatic amine. Okay, so aromatic amine like aniline, benzene. Here the group attached with NH2 is phenyl ring, C6H5. This is a aromatic ring. So this is aromatic amine. Okay. Now nomenclature of amines. According to IUPAC system, amines are regarded as alkane amine. Alkane amine. For example, if ethyl group is directly attached with NH2 group, then the name of this compound will be, according to IUPAC, ethanamine. First you have to write the name of alkyl group like alkane, and then name of NH amine. So the name of this amine will be ethanamine. Here alkyl group is ethyl group. So the name of this amine, that is CH3 CH2 NH2, is ethanamine. This is a primary amine. And in case of secondary amine, In case of secondary amine, there are secondary amine contain two types, two alkyl group. It may be same type or different types. So in this example, you can see in one side of NH there is ethyl group, and on another side of NH there is methyl group, CH3 group. So the amine is CH3 CH2 NH CH3. And during naming of this compound, first you have to find out, or you have to take the long chain substituent. First take one alkyl group as main chain, and which is ethyl, longest chain, ethyl. And you have to write the name of amine according to this ethyl amine, ethan amine, because this ethyl group is the longest chain. And the other alkyl group, take the other alkyl group as substituent. So, and during naming of secondary amine, first you have to mention the name of substituent alkyl group, that is here in this case the substituent alkyl group is methyl, and this methyl group is directly attached with nitrogen, so you have to write N methyl. Methyl group is attached with nitrogen, so it is N methyl. And then name the amine like ethan amine, N methyl ethan amine. And in case of tertiary amine, tertiary amine contain three alkyl group of same types or different types. Okay, in this example, the nitrogen atom contains three ethyl group, and you have to take one alkyl group as main chain, and other rest two alkyl groups as substituent. So during naming 3-degree amines, you have to take one alkyl group as main chain, and you have to write the name of amine according to this alkyl group, and the rest of two other alkyl group take the two other alkyl group as substituent. So name of this 3-degree amine will be NN diethyl. Two ethyl group are directly attached with nitrogen, so NN diethyl ethan amine. NN diethyl, two ethyl as substituent and one ethyl as the main chain. So NN diethyl ethan amine. The name of this compound will be NN diethyl ethan amine. Now, structure of amine. In amine, the nitrogen atom is sp3 hybridized. So the shape of any amine is pyramidal shape. That is the pyramidal geometry of amines, and it look like this. Here, two aromatic amine, example of two aromatic amine given. First one is aniline. If the NH2 group is directly attached with benzene ring, if the NH2 group is directly attached with benzene ring, then it is known as aniline or benzene amine according to IUPAC. And in this case, see, this is a 3-degree amine. In this example, the nitrogen atom is directly attached with one benzene ring and two methyl group. So the name of this compound will be NN dimethyl. Two methyl groups are directly attached with nitrogen, so NN dimethyl, and you have to write the name of this amine according to the benzene ring. Okay, like this, NN dimethyl benzene amine. Now methods of preparation of amines. There are many methods of preparation of amines. First one is by reduction of nitro compound. By reduction of nitro compounds, you can prepare amine. For example, if you reduce RNO2 you will get RNH2. RNH2 is amine and RNO2 is nitro compound. And the reducing agent used are SnHCl or nickel H2 or zinc any sodium hydroxide or palladium hydrogen gas. Any one reducing agent you can use. Okay, different types of reducing agents are given here, and you can use any one reducing agents from this. So if you reduce nitrobenzene, by PDH2 or by ethanol, SnHCl or by zinc NaOH, you will get aniline. The NO2 group will be converted into NH2 group. So by reduction of NO2 nitro compound, you will get amine. For example, if you reduce nitrobenzene by SnHCl or nickel H2 or zinc NaOH, you will get aniline. That is, the NO2 group will be converted into NH2 group. Second method is ammonolysis of alkyl halide. In this case, you have ammonia is reacted with alkyl halide. Ammonolysis means reaction of alkyl halide with ammonia, and the hydrogen atoms from ammonia are replaced by alkyl group. So by ammonolysis reaction, you can prepare ammonia, different types of amines, and in this reaction you have to react alkyl halide with ammonia in the first step. In the first step, you will get primary amine, and in this again the primary amine produced will react with alkyl halide. In the first step, you will get primary amine RNH2, and in the next step, RNH2 again react with alkyl halide to give R2NH, and in the third step, again secondary amine will react with alkyl halide to give tertiary amine. And by this reaction, you will get a mixture of primary, secondary, tertiary and quaternary ammonium salt. By ammonolysis reaction, you can get a mixture of primary, secondary and tertiary amines. So this is the disadvantage of ammonolysis reaction. Ammonolysis has the disadvantage of yielding a mixture of primary, secondary, tertiary and quaternary ammonium salt. And however, if you want to get only primary amine, you have to take a large excess of ammonia. If you take large excess of ammonia, then you will get only 1 degree amine. Okay. And order of reactivity of alkyl halide in the ammonolysis reaction with ammonia is Ri, that is alkyl iodide is greater than alkyl bromide is greater than alkyl chloride. Next method of preparation of amine is by reduction of nitriles or cyanide, alkyl nitrides or alkyl cyanide, that is by reduction of alkyl cyanide RCN. If you reduce RCN, it will be converted into RCH2NH2. The CN group will be converted into CH2NH2. So you have to remember the reducing agent. In this reaction, you can use reducing agent such as nickel hydrogen or sodium mercury, sodium amalgam in ethanol. Any one reducing agent you can use. So by reduction of alkyl cyanide, you can get primary amine RCH2NH2. The CN group, cyano group converted into CH2NH2 group, and the reducing agents are nickel and hydrogen or sodium amalgam in ethanol. Any one reducing agent you can use. Next method is by reduction of amides. Amides means RCONH2. This is the general structure of amides, RCONH2, where R is a alkyl group. R is an alkyl group, and RCONH2 means amide. Like RNH2 means amines, and RCONH2 means amide. So by reduction of amide, you can get amines, primary amines. And the reducing agent used is lithium aluminum hydride. In this case, the reducing agent is lithium aluminum hydride. So by reduction of amides, the you can get primary amine. And during reduction of amides by lithium aluminum hydride, the CONH2 group, of amides converted into CH2NH2 group. That means the main change is in CO group of amide converted into CH2 group. CO group of amide converted into CH2 group. When amide reacts with lithium aluminum hydride in the first step, and in the second step you have to do hydrolysis, and finally you will get primary amine, and the CO group of amide converted into CH2 group. You have to remember the reducing agent lithium aluminum hydride slash water, that is hydrolysis. In the first step you have to make the reduction, and in the second step you have to add water, and finally you will get primary amine. So by reduction of amide we can get 2 degree primary amine, and the CONH2 group becomes CH2NH2. And next method is Gabriel Thalamide reaction, or Gabriel Thalamide synthesis. And in this method you can prepare primary amine from thalamide. You can prepare only 1 degree amine from thalamide. This is an important method of preparation of primary amine. So in Gabriel Thalamide synthesis you can prepare a primary amine RNH2 from thalamide. And what is the formula or structure of thalamide? Here it is given, thalamide, structure of thalamide. And if you react thalamide with KOH, the thalamide first converted into potassium salt of thalamide. If you react thalamide with KOH, the thalamide first converted into potassium salt of thalamide, and then you have to react alkyl halide. You have to react this potassium thalamide with alkyl halide RX, and after by this reaction you will get N-alkyl thalamide. So in the first step you have to react thalamide with KOH. The thalamide will be converted into potassium thalamide. In the second step you have to react potassium thalamide with alkyl halide RX. The product will be N-alkyl thalamide. That is, see the change. The NK will be converted into NR. And in the next step, again in the final and last step, you have to make hydrolysis. And on hydrolysis, the NR group will be converted into NH2 group. NR group will be removed as NH2, RNH2. That is as 1 degree amine. In the last step, we have to make hydrolysis by using KOH or NaOH, sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide. Then in the final step, you will get primary amine, 1 degree amine. That is the NR group from N-alkyl thalamide will be removed as RNH2, and the remaining part will be converted into potassium thalate, salt of phthalic acid. So by this reaction, Gabriel Thalamide reaction, first you have to react thalamide with KOH, and the thalamide will be converted, the NH group of thalamide will be converted into NK group, that is potassium thalamide. And in the next step you have to react this potassium thalamide with alkyl halide with Rx, and you will get N-alkyl thalamide. And in the final step, you have to make hydrolysis using KOH or NaOH. You will get 1 degree amine, that is the NR group from N-alkyl thalamide will be removed as 1 degree amine, and the remaining part of this N-alkyl thalamide will be converted into potassium thalate, the salt of phthalic acid. Okay, and you have to remember the main product only. Okay, in all cases you have to remember the main product. There are many side products, but it is not mandatory to write down the side products also. Okay, you have to remember main product. Next, Hofmann bromide degradation. And one thing you have to remember that during Gabriel thalamide synthesis, thalamide reaction, only 1 degree amine and aliphatic amine can be prepared, but aromatic amine, 1 degree aryl amine or aromatic amine cannot be prepared by this Gabriel thalamide reaction. So you cannot prepare benzyl amine using Gabriel thalamide synthesis, but you can prepare methylamine, CH3NH2, C2H5NH2 ethylamine using Gabriel thalamide reaction. Next, Hofmann bromide degradation. It is also preparation of amine from amide. Preparation of amine from amide, but the reagent is different. In this case, amide RCONH to react with Br2NOH, bromine in NOH. Br2NOH reagent is Br2H. In Hofmann bromide degradation reaction, the substrate is amide RCONH2 and the reagent is Br2NOH. The product is RNH2. That means this is the main product, and main product you have to remember the main product only. It is not necessary to write down or to mention the side products also. Okay, so in Hofmann bromide degradation reaction, the RCONH2 group becomes RNH2. RCONH2 groups become RNH2. So in this reaction, in this Hofmann bromide degradation reaction, the CO group remove and the amide becomes amine RNH2. RCONH2 becomes RNH2. And the reagent in this reaction is Br2 in NOH. So in Hofmann degradation reaction, the amine formed has 1 carbon less. Amine form has 1 carbon less. In this case, you can see the RCONH2 becomes RNH2. So 1 carbon less. So in Hofmann degradation reaction, the amine formed has 1 carbon less than the parent amide. To obtain primary amine with same number of carbon atom from primary amide, you have to reduce the amide. If you want to get the amine from amides, if you want to get the amines of same carbon number from amides, you have to make reduction of amide. Okay, and if you want to get a amine, primary amine from amide of 1 carbon less, then you have to use this reaction, Hofmann bromide degradation reaction. Now, physical properties of amines. Physical properties of amines I'll discuss in the next video. Okay.